You're an actor, I'm an actor, or you're an actress. Everybody wants to earn money as an actress, right? Most of the time it's true. You want to make something of yourself. You want to do this all the time. It's the ultimate dream, right? Okay, that way you can focus all your time, your energy, and your investment in your education into acting. Question is, how do you do it? Now, that's a broad statement, but I do have quite a few tips that will help you along this road. Stay tuned. Now here's the secret. If you want to earn money doing what you love to do, i.e. acting, directing, singing, whatever you're doing in the performing arts, you must not think of money. That's what I said. You must not think of money. Don't think of a zebra. But seriously, what you need to do in order to earn money as an actor is focus on the creation and the creating of the acting career that you have or that you want to have. And how do you do that? How you do that is realize, what do you believe about yourself? Because everything you are is going to go into a character, is going to go onto a stage, is going to go into a voiceover, is going to go into a film. Everything that you are, whether you're ready or not. It's kind of like being born. When a baby is born, the woman gives it life. The man helps too, but not really. It's the woman that gives it life. What kind of life are you giving your acting career? I'm going to give you a perfect example. One of my stellar students, Lisa, hello Lisa, she lives in New York City, and she is a triple threat. She's a singer, she's a dancer, and she's an actress. Now take, for instance, the fact that she's a dancer. When she's a dancer, she has to focus on what? The steps that she takes, and the movement, and how her body moves, and how it should move according to the coaches and the teachers that she works with. She's not thinking about money. She's not thinking about, oh, I want to be a rich dancer. Oh, I want to be wealthy. I want to be famous. No, she's not thinking about that, because if she did, her focus would be off her craft. And it's the same thing with you and me. We need to focus on what we believe about ourselves. And how you gain confidence in what you believe about yourself as an actor and as a human being is going through the steps, kind of like Lisa. Going through the steps that is necessary. Study, research, and audition. You study. You take classes, you hire a coach. It's a constant lifetime of study. Research people. You learn how to trust people. You learn how to go with this person and not with that person. You learn how to be vulnerable and open in front of an audience, or in front of a camera, in front of a casting director. It's all about learning. It's all about creating what you want. This is how you earn money as an actor, an actress, as a dancer, as a singer, as a performer. You learn about yourself. Is it going to take sacrifice? Of course it is. Say for example you have a job and you earn good money. However, you are miserable every day that you're there. You're expending your money, you're using your money, your energy, and most of all, your time that can never be replaced to do something that you hate. What is that? Now, I don't know you, but I do know 95% of the population thinks, well, I've got to do what I've got to do. I got to dig deep and I've got to work hard in order to buy things, to impress people and to love my family and to provide for my family and show them how much I love them. Stop. Think about that just for a minute. Number one, you will always fail impressing other people because they are thinking about themselves. As far as loving your family, don't you believe that they would benefit more by seeing you as a fine example and leaving a legacy for them to follow? Because they have dreams too. These 5 steps will teach you how to work smarter and how to work right without working harder, i.e. you'll get quality quicker. So I invite you to contact me once again, davidthompsoncoaching.co, davidthompsoncoaching.co. Like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and leave a comment below. It always helps, because the more I know about you and what you desire, the more I can do my research and my study and give it back to you.